देखो यूपीएससी ना 2023 में हमसे पूछता है, बहुत ईजी क्वेश्चन पूछा था तो मैंने गलत कर दिया था ये कि कंसीडर द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द फॉलोइंग एसेट इन्वेस्टमेंट। इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट, ऑल फोर आंसर होगा क्या इसका? चलिए नीचे लिखा हुआ है इंटेंजिबल। भाई इन्वेंट्री को तो आप टच कर सकते हो ना। चल पढ़ा नहीं था मैंने तो ठीक है। फिर उससे पहले पूछा था इसने हमसे 2018 में ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेटर एक्सप्लेन इन टर्म ऑफ अ प्रोसेस विच इनेबल। ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन की बात हो रही है, कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेटर एक्सप्लेन, कौन सा एक्सप्लेन बेटर कर रहे हैं? इन टर्म ऑफ अ प्रोसेस विच इनेबल, ठीक है। एक तो इंटेंजिबल वेल्थ, क्योंकि ना देखो कितना अच्छा बात है ये बात हमारी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में भी लागू होती है। तो कैसे? जिस चीज़ को हम छू सकते हैं ना, या जिस चीज़ को हम नहीं छू सकते, वो चीज़ हमारे साथ लॉन्ग टर्म तक रहेगी। हमारा व्यवहार, हमारी स्किल, जिस चीज़ को हम छू सकते हैं वो चीज़ ख़त्म हो जाएगी। और किसी भी देश को इंटेंजिबल वेल्थ पर फोकस करना चाहिए कि लोगों के अंदर स्किल बढ़ाए, लोगों के अंदर विवेक बढ़ाए। मतलब किसी भी सरकार को या किसी भी समाज को या किसी भी माँ बाप को या किसी भी स्कूल को इस पर फोकस करना चाहिए कि वो इंटेंजिबल वेल्थ में वृद्धि करें। अगर आप इंटेंजिबल वेल्थ में वृद्धि करते हो, टेंजिबल वेल्थ में आपकी वृद्धि अपने आप हो जाएगी। इंडिविजुअल ऑफ अ कंट्री टू एक्यूमुलेट मोर कैपिटल, पहले एक को हटा दो। अगर आपने एक को हटा दिया वैसे जीत जाओगे आप। अब 4 कैपिटल पढ़ते हैं, पहले 4 पढ़ते हैं। 2 तो ठीक ही है। एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ इंटेंजिबल वेल्थ ठीक लग रही है भाई, ठीक लग रहा है ना। अब सेकंड देखते हैं, इंक्रीजिंग नॉलेज स्किल लेवल एंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री, सी, ये भी ठीक है। अब 2020 में पूछा था, इन इंडिया विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट इन एग्रीकल्चर? सेटिंग अप कोल्ड स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी बाय गवर्नमेंट, 6 सही है। ऊपर वाली 2 को हटा दो। अब सबसे पहले 1 पढ़ो, तो पढ़ो 4, 2 3 6। कंप्यूटराइजेशन ऑफ ठीक है, 3 सोशल कैपिटल डेवलपमेंट ठीक है, 6 लोन, ये सब सब्सिडी में आएंगे, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट में नहीं आएंगे। सी आंसर है। बट ना मेरे तरीके से ये भी इन्वेस्टमेंट है भाई। जैसे भारत सरकार जो अपने उसको मापती है, वो प्राइमरी रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट को मापती है, वो कैसे नापती है? उसमें उसको मेहनत कर देती है ना जो स्टेट ने कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन किया है, लेकिन उसमें पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट पूछा है यार। और मैं ये गलती कर रहा हूँ। हम सबको ना इकोनॉमी में या किसी में भी सीधा सोचना है, इनडायरेक्टली नहीं सोचना। यूपीएससी हमसे इनडायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन नहीं, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली हमें सोचना ही नहीं है, हमें ओनली सीधा आंसर देना है। लॉजिक का यूज़ करना है, ना कि ओवर लॉजिक का यूज़ करना है। थिंकिंग करनी है, ओवर थिंकिंग नहीं करनी। This is a simple question that requires minimal economic knowledge. It's just to be confident and focus on each term. Intangible in simple left word means that cannot be touched. Now look at the given asset. Brand recognition, it can't be touched. No. Inventory, yes. With this analysis, we can see that brand recognition in IP and mailing of client are intangible assets. Inventory is a tangible asset. The correct answer is C. अब देख लेते हैं टेंजिबल और इंटेंजिबल का मतलब क्या होता है। टेंजिबल एसेट आर फिजिकल आइटम दैट कैन बी टच और सीन एंड क्वांटिफाइड, मशीनरी, बिल्डिंग एंड इन्वेंट्री। ये जो टर्म है ना क्वांटिफाइड, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है। इंटेंजिबल एसेट आर नॉन फिजिकल आइटम दैट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू कैन नॉट बी टच। ब्रांड रिकॉग्निशन, पेटेंट and mailing list. Brand recognition, intangible asset. Reason cannot be touched. It represents the value of a brand in the mind of consumer, built through reputation and market effort. Inventory, tangible asset. Reason consists of physical goods and material held for resale. Consists of human capital formation versus physical capital. Human capital formation, the process of acquiring and increasing number of people with skill, education, experience, help to enhance productivity and income. Physical capital process, the physical capital formation is the process of creating physical goods such as a tool, machine, infrastructure used for further production. Formation, human capital formed through education, health, training, migration and information, migration technology. Physical capital is formed through investment in tangible products such as machinery, building. Ownership and transferability. Human capital inseparable from the owner, cannot be bought, sold, only service can be hired. Tangible assets separable from the owner, can be bought or sold in the market. Depreciation will age but cannot be mitigated with continuous investment, but can be mitigated with continuous investment in health and skill. Deficit will use year and year and obsolescence period. Mobility. human capital is not perfectly mobile. It will contribute as mobile by machinery and facility and mobile will contribute as mobile by machinery and legal mobile will contribute generation of benefit generate both private and social benefit primarily private benefit private profit डिटेल बहुत सारे ये बोल सकते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन फैक्टर human capital often used by parents, society, children, schools, or life, influenced by peers, educators, and societal values. Physical capital made on technical, economic values, and accepted return. Source of human development expert on education is one of the most important sources of human capital formation. Education enhances creativity and innovation. Bring individual return, higher wage, societal return, improve social participation, growth, investment in elementary education, yield high return in education in India. Expenditure on health. Cost, transportation, housing, social development, return higher wage, remittance for the individual and family. Source of skill enhancement and development. Expenditure or information include acquiring data. Student life job market information sources employment exchange counselor media and economic growth and human capital market economic growth rise of real GDP over time is equal to capacity in the economy, investment in people via education make them more productive contributors to the society. Human capital, economic growth. Human capital, economic growth, legal capital. How human capital promote growth? Enhance global productivity, facilitate innovation and efficient technology use, promote entrepreneurship, generate both direct and indirect and external social benefits. How growth supported income, unit higher income, allow greater income for investment, time, education, training and ability, increase ability of government to finance welfare, individual evidence, India and other empirical education, India investment in education, inclusivity, lower country life. Brazil and Mexico, despite its revolution, underutilized revolution, less than potential contribution to growth, higher unemployment rate and underemployment rate reduce their actual contribution economically equal to how human capital is not a substitute but complement physical capital. Promoting growth, both required to other products and education, investment for economic growth, need adequate employment, enabling environment, right for important. Human capital does not currently control. Human capital वो physical capital now सबसे करोगे तो human capital accessibility, educate individual, spread knowledge, awareness, example healthier population, healthier productivity, educate mother, better care, nutrition. Difference between human capital and human development. Human capital focus on better ratio of skill, productivity, knowledge, and body. Population focus is the view as a means to end, enhance the productivity capacity of individuals and thus contribute to economic growth. Investment purpose. Investment in education, health, and skill and information will primarily increase future income and productivity. We want economics treat individual as means of achieving greater output and economic prosperity. Human development is a broader concept which sees people as an end in themselves, not just means. Focus, emphasize, enlarging people's choice, improving well-being, ensuring decent standard of living, core objective development, human capability, longevity, education, and access to resources. Welfare-oriented, it is about providing freedom and opportunities for all people equally. Key concept, approach, human capital, instrumental, educational health are tools of productivity, intrinsic education, valuable mental, and goal, human capital. Underlying assumption, human capital, people are purpose of development. Migration as a source of human capital. Migration refer to the movement of the people from one place to another in search of better employment opportunity. People migrate when they expect higher salaries in the destination than their native region. Rural to urban migration in India is driven largely by unemployment and underemployment in rural areas. International migration in India is motivated much higher remuneration abroad. Migration entails cost, transport and expenses, higher cost in urban foreign areas, physical cost, stress, cultural reattachment from native community. These costs are considered investment because the migrants expect higher lifetime earnings, making it a form of capital. Human capital formation. This investment is rational when return in the form of enhanced productivity and earning outweighs cost. Investment in formation, labor market and awareness. Investment in information. If individuals spend money and time acquiring information related to job availability, with privilege, wage level, quality and cost of education, training institute, this information helps in rational decision making regarding investment in education, health and migration, and efficient utilization of salary. Acquire human capital. This cost in acquiring such information is considered a source of human capital formation. Investment in labor market information bridge gap between potential and realized progress. Improve resource allocation. Thank you.